Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the tea table, in where thrusts, screams, secrets cry, and drama explodes.
I still can't believe we're talking about this again. I'm shaking.
Is the jam here? Did the jam come to the studio? I need answers.
No jam today, Vicky, but today we have Shakira and Piqué themselves. So now, let's welcome Shakira!
Hi, I'm here to tell my truth once again, because apparently some people still don't know what loyalty is. Queen, remember, we are on your side always.
Yes, we want to know everything, every detail.
And now, let's welcome Piqué!
Look, I don't know why everyone is still obsessed with my life.
Because you ruined Shakira, that's why.
Okay, but
Let me ask you something, Gerard. Why was my jam disappearing then?
But I just like jam.
Piqué, did you cheat or not? Say it clearly and in full sentences.
Yes, I cheat, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Are you serious?
I mean, this can't be true. Oh my god.
I knew it since day one.
Girl, we all knew it.
Shakira, is it true that you wrote 3 songs about him?
3? Oh my god, I wrote like 20 of them. I just didn't release them yet.
But that's not even fair.
You know what is not fair? Her jam being eaten by Clara.
Shakira, what message do you want to leave today?
Well, I want to say that karma works and that I dance better than his new girlfriend.
Yes, Queen! One last question for both of you. Will you ever get back together?
I mean, maybe?
Oh, honey, the only thing I'm getting back together with is with my piece.
Iconic.
Legendary.
He doesn't deserve you.
And honestly, I still have questions. Many questions.
And let me be clear, this story isn't over.
So stay tuned, because if there is something that we all know is that drama always comes back.
Especially when people can't keep their spoons out of other people's jam.
I shouldn't have come.
So this was the tea table, when nothing is quiet and everything is tea. Tonight, we are opening a door in where a lot of kids enter every day. A world of creativity, fun, but a world with hidden dangers.
Roblox isn't just a game. It's a universe, and not everything inside that universe is safe.
Scams, addiction, strangers, fake money, and fake items. We've seen it all, but tonight we dive deeper.
But what is happening behind scenes? Who controls these games? Is every friendly quest a real friend?
Let's start. So, do you play Roblox?
Yes, of course.
So tell us the truth. When did Roblox officially become part of your daily life?
At first, it was just to relax, and suddenly I loved it so much I started playing like 6 hours a day.
Hey, that's amazing, but 6 hours? It's like a whole shift.
Hey, wait. Do you play Roblox?
Yes, I do. My sleep schedule. I'm confused. My sanity. I don't know. My Robux. Missing in action.
was spent 500 Robux on a pink hat that I have never used it.
Oh well, that one hurts a little.
So we made a list of Roblox side effects. Be honest, which happened to you? Getting so focused that you forget to eat? Thinking you just more game for 3 hours? Screaming at your screen because of lag? Believing your avatar has better outfits than you? Spending Robux without checking your wallet first? All of them. Every single one.
Especially the avatar thing. Mine is literally a fashion model.
And we also spoke to an eyewitness, someone who has experienced it from the outside.
Well, according to my extremely professional research, Roblox is 50% fun, 30% creativity, and 20% chaos. But we also have to remember that Roblox is 100% made to enjoy responsibly.
Well, so what did we learn today?
That Roblox is super fun, but time flies.
And Robux flies even faster.
That your avatar can be gorgeous, but you still need a life offline.
And that was our second and last story of the night.
Thanks for all the reports. After hearing all the testimonies, it's clear that Roblox can be entertaining, social, creative, as long as you don't lose track of time and forget the risks.